Welcome, radiant soul, to the Blooming Spirit podcast. I'm Nola Bloom, and today I'm excited to guide you through a meditation designed to cultivate a deep sense of inner joy and confidence. In the busyness of everyday life, it's easy to get caught in doubts and worries that can dim our inner light. This meditation will gently guide you inward, reconnecting you with the wellspring of joy within and affirming the confidence that is your birthright. So go ahead and get yourself comfortable in either a seated or lying down position. Close down the eyes and settle the breath. And gently observing the rise and fall of the chest and belly with each breath. Allowing the breath to find its natural rhythm. And as you settle here and bring awareness to your heart center, and visualize a warm, golden light glowing softly within, like the first rays of morning sun touching the earth. This light represents your inner joy, pure and radiant. And with each inhale, see this light growing brighter, expanding through the heart space, filling the chest with a soft, comforting glow. And now feel this golden light beginning to spread throughout the body, flowing down the arms, through the wrists, and into the hands, illuminating each and every finger. And the light continues to rise, moving through the neck, the face, and the head, softening the features and bringing ease to the mind. Now flowing down through the spine, through the torso, gently illuminating the organs with warmth and vitality. Moving into the pelvis, down through the legs, the knees and calves, all the way to the feet, radiating through each and every toe. Your entire body now is bathed in this warm golden light. Bringing with it a sense of peace, joy, and quiet confidence. Now allow yourself to be transported to a beautiful meadow, where the earth meets the sky in perfect harmony. The sun shines brightly above. The sky stretches wide, clear and vibrant. All around you, wildflowers in every color gently sway in the breeze. Their petals open, receiving the warmth of the sun. You hear soft rustling in the leaves and the distant song of birds, a natural symphony that soothes and uplifts the soul. As you walk barefoot through this meadow, feel the soft, warm earth beneath your feet, grounding you with each step. The golden light within you pulses in harmony with the earth. Gently strengthening your sense of joy and your inner confidence. Now see how the flowers seem to turn towards you, as if drawn to your inner light. Recognizing the radiance that shines within your heart. In the center of this meadow, you discover a serene, crystal clear pond. And the water is still and reflected, mirroring the sky above, the trees, the wildflowers surrounding it. As you approach, you see the golden light reflected on the surface, shimmering softly like sunlight dancing on water, a reflection of your inner joy and confidence. Always present, always available to you. Now find a comfortable place to sit beside the pond and feel the cool, soft grass beneath your body. And allow the peacefulness of the meadow to wash over you. The golden light within you continues to glow and expand. You feel warm and alive. You are at peace here, resting in the knowing that this light is your true essence. Always guiding you, always supporting you. Now repeat the following affirmations inwardly or voice them out loud, allowing each one to land gently within the heart. I am filled with inner joy and confidence. I trust in my abilities and I believe in myself. I am worthy of all the good things that life has to offer. I am confident in who I am and what I bring into the world. I move through challenges with courage, ease, and grace. I am a source of positivity to all of those around me. And take a big breath in. A slow, easy breath out. Allowing each affirmation to touch the body, mind, and heart. Feel the golden light within you, anchoring the sense of joy and confidence deep within your being. When you're ready, bring awareness back to the present moment, noticing the gentle rhythm of the breath, how your body is feeling this morning, and the space around you. And slowly opening the eyes. And carry this feeling of inner joy and confidence with you as you move throughout your day, knowing that you are capable, worthy, and radiant. Thank you so much for joining me today. This practice nourished you. I'd be so grateful for a 5-star review on my show. It helps these practices reach even more beautiful souls like yourself. Sweet blessings and namaste.